What's up, fam? I hope you're having the absolute best day of your life. In this video, you're gonna watch a one-on-one live trading session with yours truly, and it was painfully boring. The market did absolutely nothing today, but most traders lose money on days like this, but my students did not. So I drop jokes, we make laughs, but most importantly, I teach along the way. So make sure you grab your paper and your pen and take some notes. Now, if you guys are sick and tired of trading with intuition and you wanna learn my 6 elite trading setup with over a 70% win rate, then send me a message on IG or Facebook right now with the word stallion, because I know you want to trade like a stallion, and I'll see if you guys are a good fit. Enjoy the video.
Morning.
Morning. You ready to rock and roll today, my man?
Yep.
Bro, let's hit a banger today. You want to share your screen with me just so I can make sure we're doing everything right?
All right.
We got MGI breaking out. We got 1 minute left.
Yeah.
This is way easier than me trying to type with one hand right now. No, bro, you're good. You can hop in. We're going to be watching the market together. All right, I see your WAP screen, bro. Just make sure you share Weeble instead, okay? All right, MIGI on the 1 minute time frame. I already switched over.
Yeah.
Looks like we're probably going to close red here, so it doesn't look like it's going to be a green light special here.
Right.
But we could change green here last minute. We still got 20 seconds, so let's see what happens. There we go. So that 1 minute candle closed red. I'm not counting this one out completely yet. Let's see what this 5 minute candle does. Maybe it'll give us a different setup. It's not going to be a green light special, but that doesn't mean it can't set up as another.
So if this
Another
green candle closes green, then it's good.
No.
Oh no.
I've been back testing that though. I call that one the red light, green light, because
Okay.
the first one's red and then the second one goes green. I've
Oh,
been back testing that one to see if it's actually profitable, and so far it's not showing anything promising. With that being said, though, if this 5 minute candle closes green, that does change the scenario where there may be a possible trade that we can get in here.
okay. Okay, but if it's turned red on the 1 minute candle, then that's not good.
Yeah, if it doesn't go green on the 1 minute time frame, I skip out on it and I just wait to see what the 5 minute candle does.
Okay.
If the 5 minute candle closes green, let me pull up my different strategies here. We got a couple different options. It could turn into, I haven't taught you these setups yet, but
Okay.
it definitely could turn into a 5 minute green candle pullback, which would be between 7 to 8. The free float needs to be below 50 million. So for MIGI, free float is well below 50 million. Market cap needs to be below 10 million.
Okay.
Market cap is below 10 million. So we're good there as well. And really, what I'm looking for is it takes longer than 10 minutes to pull back to the original entry, which might sound confusing right now, but I'm going to teach you this strategy
All
in
right.
like next week, where we're going to take it one strategy at a time.
All right. Can you give me a minute? I'll pause my TV.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. I mean, there's a couple different ways that we could play this. This 5 minute candle, if this closes green right here, especially with how low that free float is, technically we could hop in at the close of this candle because it's
All right.
another setup that I've been watching. Float needs to be below 10 million. That's good. Market cap below 50 million. Second candle closes green. We would be going for 10%.
I'll just wait for your command.
Yeah. The win rate on this one is a little bit lower. It's 72%.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I mean, let me click 5 minute green candle pullback. Let's see what the win rate on that one is. We might just wait for a pullback on it. 75%. It's a little bit better.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see what happens here. We still got 2 minutes.
All right.
Got to go by the numbers. Man, I wish I would have taken BBGI yesterday. Holy shit.
Which one is that?
BBGI ended up exploding. It went from $5 all the way to $26. Right before market open, I was thinking about hopping in on that pullback. I decided not to. Wrong choice. Hold that baby up like Simba. Oh, she's pissed now. She's pissed. Uh-oh, Mama Bear's coming. What are you doing to my baby? Chandler told me to hold her up like Simba.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey. All right, here you go. All right. I'm off daddy duty now. All right, PETS is close to breaking out. We got 1 minute left on that 5 minute candle. But pets looks decent. Market cap below 50, free float below 50, price is good. All right, let's see what happens here with old pets. Pet Med Express, companies from the United States too. Damn,
Right.
this last 1 minute candle is booming. PETS.
GPS. Okay.
Chandler said he's pretty sure it's on the shit list. Let me take a look. It looks like this first 1 minute candle is going to close green.
On pets?
Yeah. Bro, I actually don't have any I don't have any breakout history on pets, bro.
Really?
Yeah, this one's never broken out. Not for the past 12 months.
Uh,
All right. First 1 minute candle is closing green. Good volume on it too. $1.3 million flowing through this 1 minute candle. Let's see what happens right here. All right, this candle also needs to close green right here on the 1 minute time frame. Is if it closes green, I'm going to enter into a position here, go for 10%.
all right. All right.
Let's see what we can get. MIGI ended up taking a old shitty poo. We dodged a bullet. Oh shit-a-roni. Come on, Pete. Come on, pets. This one's kind of nose diving on the 1 minute. Let's see if it can go red to green here in the last 20 seconds. We got 10 seconds. Can we get a last second pop here? And we can not. All
No.
right. No. So pets is not a green light special. MIGI is not a green light special. Market's taking a poopy poo on us. All right. Well, we'll still watch pets. Let's see what happens on the 5 minute time frame on that one.
All right.
MIGI, that second 5 minute candle closed red. Currently bouncing right now, but once that next 5 minute candle closes red, I don't have any trading setups for that. Typically those end up taking a shit on you. So I'm just gonna skip that one.
Which
But
one?
MIGI, I'm gonna skip
Okay.
it because that second 5 minute candle closed red, which sucks because that free float's below 1 million. Like that one has
Oh,
the potential to be a big mover,
all
but
right.
it's just not giving a clean breakout right now. It's hard to trust it. Tell you what, Chandler, jump into MIGI for us.
MGI.
CETX. Chan just called that one out in the chat. All right. Yeah, pull up CETX, Peter.
Oh,
Peter, what do you go by? Peter Lee? Peter? Sam?
Peter is okay.
Peter's okay. All right.
Yeah.
Is that what your friends call you?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Good deal. All right. CETX breakout levels right there around 497. Well, potentially if this 5 minute candle closes red right here.
Okay.
Um Free float super low, below 1 million. Market cap only 3 million. Love to see it. From the United States.
Oh,
Everything looks good there.
yeah.
Let me take a look and see if we got any history on CETX. I feel like we definitely do. Yep. CETX broke out on June the 25th and it ran for 18%.
That was
Okay.
way back, right?
Say again.
That was way back.
Yeah, that was like, 5, 6 months ago.
Oh,
So it hasn't broken out here recently.
okay.
Chandler, you stupid. Chandler said, "We shall call you Petey." Oh, Petey Poo. That's hilarious. All right, well, I'm gonna call you old Channy Poo. Oh shit. Oh
That's
man.
okay. Okay. That's okay for me.
All right, that's a bet then. Oh shit. Every time I hop in the chat in the morning, I'm gonna say, "Good morning, Petey Poo." Oh, that's hilarious. Okay,
Anyone else?
where'd you
Anyone else?
okay.
Anyone else going live with us?
What's up?
Anyone else doing live with us or just two of us?
Yeah, no, it's just 2 of us. If I
Oh,
call everybody up, it's gonna be a shit show, trust me. We won't be able to watch the market, we're gonna be dying laughing the whole damn time. I've tried it before.
oh yeah.
Uh, Chance said, "I don't care what you call me, just don't call me late for dinner." That's funny. Oh, man. Alright. What we looking at? What happened to CETX? CETX is fucking nosediving.
I'll just put
Hopefully, we can get a bounce on it.
the alarm on it.
Yeah, yeah, you can go ahead and set your alert on that one.
Okay.
MIGI, fucking bonering. I fucking I didn't know it.
Yeah.
I didn't fucking know it.
Man.
If I knew it, I'd be in it. Hey, hey, I'm gonna skip out on that one.
Okay, okay.
Oh man. I told you to take it, Chan. And you said, look at your past message. You said, nope, I ain't gonna do it. You fucked up.
Man.
Did you really take it? That's funny. Damn, damn, damn. That's all right. There'll be another.
Yeah, yeah.
It ain't the first boner candle that I've missed out
Right,
on, that's for sure. It ain't gonna be the last neither.
right. MIGI.
I think CETX fell off the fucking top gainers list over here.
Yeah.
It's only up 6% right now. Yeah, that
What?
one might that one might not bounce back. That one might be a pump and dump.
This one?
Which one? Which one is that?
The bets?
Uh Pets, yeah, Pets is looking like a pump and dump too.
Oh
But I was
yeah.
talking about CETX because
Okay.
CETX is completely fell off the top gainers list. Like it's
Okay.
only up 6% right now. So we'll see if it bounces back. We got an alert set on it.
All right. So which one should I look? I mean, keep an eye on.
No, none of them. They
Okay.
all suck. None of them.
Oh yeah.
No, I mean, I'm looking like MIGI. I did think that one had the most potential, but I just don't have any setups I could play on it right now. It
Okay.
didn't break out as a green light special. That second 5 minute candle closed red. It closed below the breakout level, so it can't be an andronator at this point. I literally don't have any setups that I could play on that one. Nothing I'd be
Okay.
confident in. I would just
All
be
right.
fucking.
All right.
I'd be trading off intuition if I jumped in that one.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing for pets as well. That second 5 minute candle closed in red and it closed below the breakout level. If those two end up being the big runners for the day, then I'm just gonna have to miss out because
Okay. Hey,
those aren't promising.
if market opens, I still can use the turbo trader.
Yeah, a market open. Yeah, you should still be using Turbo Trader all the time. Yeah, you just
Okay.
want to
So
turn on your stop loss and take profit. You know,
okay.
turn on your group orders, so makes it a lot easier for you. But yeah,
Turn on the. You mean turn on the what? The
your
confirmation order.
yeah. So you see down there where you can turn on stop loss and take profit.
Okay.
As
So
soon as
I
no,
should
not
turn
that one.
on not the
No,
one.
no, no, no.
These
That's
two.
order confirmation. Yeah, those two.
These two.
Yeah, yeah. You turn
Okay.
on those two. Yeah. And then instead of using buy at ask, you could use buy at ask during market hours, but it's just better to use buy at market.
Okay. Yeah. 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 So, and okay. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, buy at market. And then
So I don't need to bother clicking on trade during
no,
market open.
the only time I ever really use trade is in pre-market when like we did yesterday where you're trying to put a sell limit order at a certain price. Like you put a sell limit
Okay.
order at 120 yesterday, you know?
Okay.
So that's the only time I really use trade. Every other time I'm using Turbo Trader.
All right. All right.
Now, another button on Turbo Trader that you need to be aware of is that flatten button down there near the bottom, right below your take profit.
Right here.
Yeah. So when you get into a position during market open, and if you got your notes, you might want to write this down. If you get into a position during market open and you went in with a group order with a take profit and a stop loss,
Mm-hmm.
and for whatever reason you're ready to get out the position, you want to sell, you need to be hitting that flatten button because that's going to cancel both of your orders and it's going to sell it for you. If you don't hit flatten, you're gonna have to manually cancel your take profit, manually cancel your stop loss, and then you're gonna have to hit sell at market. You'll have to hit like 3 buttons, or you could just press on flatten. Does that make sense?
Okay. During market open.
Only yeah, only during market hours. Flatten does not work in pre-market.
Ah, okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Gotcha, gotcha.
Yeah. But important though, if you have a stop loss and a take profit set, and you for whatever reason just want to exit out of your position immediately, the best button to hit is just the flatten button.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, all right.
Two. Well, anything below 50 million, Osama, I'll play. I mean, preferably below 10 million though, for sure, for the free float. But if it's below 50 million, I'll play it.
All right.
All right, VS is moving. Ticker VS from the
Yeah.
United States. Market cap below 10 million. Free float 1.7 million. Sexy. $1.75 right now. Not looking too shabby. See if I got any history on VS. I feel like I do. Seen
All
her a
right.
couple times. No, I don't. I don't have any history on VS. Huh. VS is a provider of gamification and audience engagement technology. The company's platform enables brands to create rewarding, interactive experiences. Dude, shut the fuck up. I don't know why these companies make their description like it's fucking dude, just explain what the fuck you do. What do you mean we're a provider of gamification and audience engagement technology and you enable brands to create rewarding, interactive experiences? Bro, if you got a fucking platform, like just tell me what you do in the first sentence. They fluff up those profiles so much. It's ridiculous.
Okay.
That's why, like a lot of times, I don't even do fundamental analysis on these companies anymore, bro, because it doesn't even matter. All these companies are full of shit in my book. I don't trust anything they say.
Uh,
Like I read the first two sentences of that profile, and like maybe I think kind of I know what they do, but I really have no fucking clue because they just fluff up the first couple sentences. Do it, Chan. Do it. All right. VS is getting absolutely smacked on the 1 minute, or it was getting smacked. It's starting to bounce a little bit right now. So far on this 5 minute candle, we've had $245,000 flow through the stock. Kind of low volume, to be honest. Not that great. BTTC, boys. BTTC. Pull her up.
BTC.
She's exploding. Black Titan Corporation unveils DAT plus strategy to evaluate digital assets. Oh, digital assets. Crypto. At one point in time, that crypto news was on fire. And then after that, it started taking a shit on everybody. Uh-oh. Damn, dude. This company is from the Cayman Islands. They're gonna shit on us.
Where is this from? Cayman Island.
Cayman out somewhere out there in the ocean. Probably somewhere out here beside me in Puerto Rico, to be honest with you.
Oh yeah.
Probably. Cayman Islands. Where the Cayman Islands at? Heard of them before. I don't know exactly where they at. Let's see. It's over there by Jamaica. Yeah, not too far away from me.
Oh really?
All right, she is exploding right now. Definitely waiting on a pullback. Already up over 100%. It's now the number one top gainer. So we'll see. I gotta wait. I gotta wait on a pullback first. Damn, I was so close to closing red right there. Dude, BTTC just won't fucking stop. That thing is
Yeah, man.
exploding.
Yep.
Damn.
We'll see
Yeah, I
what
don't know. I mean, we'll see. With it exploding that much on the initial move, by the time it starts to pull back, it might just completely pull back and never break out. I wouldn't be surprised if we don't see a breakout on that one. It already just tapped 200%.
man. If we scalp this one, imagine how much we're at now.
Yeah, yeah. Don't get me wrong. I fight that temptation every single day. And you'll see the boys in the chat. They'll do a little bit of scalping sometimes, or
Oh
not as much
yeah,
as they used to. Chandler will do some scalping for sure. It can work. It's just one of those things where I don't have any setup or strategy that I've back tested on the 1 minute time frame for scalping. So like it can definitely work for you. It's just one of those things you just got to go into it knowing that you're kind of you're trading based off intuition, you know? You can look at a couple different things like volume. You can trade breakouts on the 1 minute time frame. But with that being said, if I was going to scalp, I think this is the way I would go about it. Is on the 1 minute time frame,
hmm
I would use the green light special for 1 minute candle breakouts. So, like if you zoom into BTTC, you see like that very first red candle at this was 8:32 my time, so 7:32 a.m. your time. Zoom into the 1 minute. I haven't back tested this, but I mean, I'm gonna assume because this is what works on the 5 minute time frame. So I'm gonna assume it would probably work a little bit better on the 1 minute time frame too. So you see the very first red candle right there,
right there.
7:32 a.m. your time. Yep, that one. And then we get the 1 minute candle that breaks above. That would have been your breakout level right there. 1 minute candle breaks above it, right? And then that next 1 minute candle also closes green. That's probably what I would try and trade.
Oh
No
yeah.
clue, no clue if that's profitable, but that's probably what I would gun for, you know. If we woulda got in right there, that would have been a damn 71% move. That would have been
Right.
glorious. It's just tough because, like, how many stocks have we also seen do the exact opposite, pumping up? Go
Right.
pull up go pull up VS right now. Pull up VS. Holy shit.
Yes. Right, let's see.
Yeah, you gotta type it in. It's not even on the top gainers list no more. Look at the fucking
Oh
go
man.
go zoom into the 1 minute time frame. That's kinda why scalping can be a little bit dangerous. Of course, we woulda bounced. We would already be out of the position by now. But yeah, I mean, that thing just immediately took a shit. So the
Right.
problem is sometimes, when you try to jump in on that initial move, you'll get hit with a lot of those pump and dump activities where the stock pops, just real quick for 1 to 5 minutes and then it takes a
hmm
shit right after on you.
Right. So let's take this one out, right?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'm not trading that. No, not at all. I seriously doubt that one's gonna bounce back. MIGI's taking a shit. Damn,
Right.
Hey Chandler, you still in MIGI or did you get out? No, your ass, you still in. Pets is just chopping sideways. That was not doing much. All right, here we go. I think BTTC finally is going to pull back here. I had that blow off top. It hit $9.99. Got smacked at $10.
Yes.
So, brother, I noticed something. Just so you know, and I don't know why these brokers do this, but whenever you have your broker set up in a different time zone,
hmm
your breakout levels might be a little bit different than mine. And I
Right.
noticed when I was on the phone with another buddy of mine too, and I was going over breakout levels, and his was different. So put a line at the top of that red and green candle right there. Yeah. So yours is 887. Mine is 886. Well, this isn't a great example because these are pretty close. But I noticed the other day when we were setting breakout levels, yours was a little bit different.
Oh
So
yeah.
I'm almost certain the reason why is because your broker is set to Central Time, and my broker is set to Eastern Time. And for
hmm
whatever reason, when I was looking it up, these brokers like the prices change a little bit according to what time zone you have it in. There's typically super close. It's within 1% like of the breakout level,
hmm
but that is kind of annoying. So I'm going to do a little bit more research on that and see exactly how we can get our breakout levels and our price action to be exactly the same. Because I noticed yours and mine is a little bit different showing up on Weeble. And I noticed that with a buddy of mine when I was on a call with him as well. It's not something I'm too worried about because it's still like really, really close. But I would like for your levels to be the exact same as my levels too. That way it's not like you're not confused. Because I might say the breakout level is 886 and you're going to be like, what? It looks like it's 890 on my chart, you know? So I'll do a little bit more research on it. I'll see if it's like a time zone thing. I got to dive into it a little bit more. And we'll see if I can get it figured out for you.
Okay. Or do you want me to switch to Eastern?
Maybe.
Okay.
I would rather do it like right now. These our charts look pretty much identical right now for
Oh yeah.
BTTC. So what I would rather do is like find an occasion where it's just completely different, and then when it's completely different, I'll get you to switch over to EST, and then we'll see if the price changes on it.
All right.
Right
Okay.
now, ours is almost identical. So
All
we'll
right.
wait until we see one that's completely different.
Okay.
What up, Casey? We live on Showtime, baby. Here's the thing about BTTC, man. This one is from the Cayman Islands, and it's unfortunate because this is the only thing that's currently moving right now. So we want to play it, but to be honest with you, for the green light special, the stocks that have really been taking a shit are the ones that are from other countries. And then, of course, BTTC is trying to go green here last minute, not even trying to give us the pullback right now.
All right. Come on, give us red, man.
I don't want to pull back, man.
If I cover the order book, what should I look for? Like if the price will go up or go down?
Yeah, for order flow, I mean, really, the only really time I use the order flow is when we're in a stock and I've got my stop loss up to break even and I'm trying to move my stop loss up. So, like for example, on the right hand side, you got the ask. You can easily see how many shares are on the ask. So, for
Right here.
example, it's constantly changing. Yeah, but right now we got 2,000 shares at $9.40. That means somebody's got a limit sell order at 940 for 2,000 shares. That could be one seller, that could be multiple sellers. And then right here over on the bid, you see where it says 2,542 shares at $9 even. That means somebody's got a buy order at $9 for 2,401 shares. That could be one buyer, that could be multiple buyers. So what I'll do sometimes is like in the past when we've tried to ride a rocket up, I'll take a look at where there's big orders on the bid and I'll put my stop loss right below it. Because if you think about like where you want your stop loss at, it's advantageous for me to put my stop loss right below a big order because if it comes down to that big order, it's obviously going to get some buying pressure there because we got buy orders right there, right? So it'll bounce and then move up from there. So I'll put it right below that. So a lot of times, if I'm trying to ride a rocket up, I'm trying to drag my stop loss up, I'll use that. But also too for order book, typically what I use this for is whenever a stock gets halted, you'll
Mm-hmm.
see where there's more selling and buying at, and you'll be able to see where it's actually going to open up after it's been halted. It's more helpful when you're trading halt, which Casey knows all about. Shout out to my boy who played BBGI yesterday. That got halted every 5 minutes over there. But yeah, they're super helpful during halts.
uh,
With this being said, brother, what you got to keep in mind with the order books and why I don't want you to get too obsessed with it and why I'm not too obsessed with it is all you see right here are limit orders, right? These are people who have limit orders set. You don't see all the people who are just fucking tapping turbo trader like us, right? Because that's
okay.
not on the order book. The only thing that's on the order book are people who actually have limit orders set. And the type of traders who have limit orders set, those are passive like passive traders. And what I mean by that is those are the type of traders who don't actively move the market up and down because they're trying to wait for a certain price to sell. They're trying to wait for a certain price to buy. They're not the ones that are making this candle move up and down right now. The ones that are making this candle move up and down right now are fucking turbo trader scalpers, right? These are people that got their hotkey set up, turbo traders, and they're actively buying at ask and selling at bid. So you just got to keep that in mind. It doesn't show you the full picture. Order book just shows you the limited part of it. So it's good for halts, good for dragging your stop loss up. Outside of that, I don't use it too often.
Gotcha.
All right, BTTC. Maybe we get a pullback here. This 5 minute candle starting to go red a little bit. Let me scan the rest of the market, see if there's anything else. Pets is starting to move a little bit, but just not playing pets. MIGI is still taking a poop. PL is moving up, but PL is a $3 billion market cap, almost 4 billion. Definitely not playing that. And that's really it, man.
Yeah.
Everything else is poo poo. Did you delete all your alerts this
Yep.
morning?
Yeah.
Nice, bro. Nice. You got a good routine going down now. That shit was crazy. How many alerts did you have set again? 300 and something?
Over 300, man.
That's crazy. I bet your Weeble was just fucking going off like ding, 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 ding every single damn day. Casey, you got to go into your the easiest way to do that, bro, is to go into the phone app and go to my alerts and delete them. If you
Yeah.
go to the messages, just so you know, if you go to the messages widget up there at the top, you can delete the alerts from there as well.
Okay.
But the problem with that is it'll only let you delete one alert at a time. So if you got
Uh,
300 and something alerts set, bro, you have to click on all 300 of them and delete them.
right.
It's easiest to just do it on the phone.
Right. Yeah, now this is what I'm doing. I use my phone to delete every alerts.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks
All
for
right.
that.
BTTC still moving up. I think once that thing starts to pull back, I think it's gonna take a shit. I think that one's gonna be done for.
Come on, come down. Give us some red, man.
Now up over 215% for the day. I wish something else would start to pop with it. Yeah, and still going. It's crazy part. Every time it looks like it's about to go red on the 5 minute, that bitch goes red to green last minute. What I have noticed though is that a lot of the big runners have been popping after market open. It was the same way yesterday. Like a lot of the big moves, they didn't happen until later on in the day, like after market open. As far as like on the 5 minute breakout,
Mhm.
this is obviously a big move. It's just not giving us a setup to get in. RETO. RETO just started moving a little bit. Still kind of low volume, but volume is starting to pick up. Oh, oh no. It's from China. It's from China. But it could be a possible play. Definitely waiting for a pullback on it. We'll see.
RTO.
So RETO on watch.
China is good.
Huh?
China good.
You said what's good?
China. Stocks from China, right?
Yeah, yeah. They just moved very fast.
Oh, okay.
So the win rate is on par with the United States, but they fucking move fast. So
Uh,
like they actually go for 10 to 15% a good percent of the time when they break out. But when they dump, they dump. So it's just like when you get your 10 to 15%, pack your shit and get out. Because if not, it's gonna take a dump on you really quick.
okay, yeah, great. That's why some people don't want to play that one, right?
Yeah, yeah. And I would never hold a Chinese stock like overnight or anything like that. You gotta get in and out real quick. Yeah, I don't I prefer just getting into stocks that are from the United States. Canada is okay too. But anything else like China, like those are pump and dumps. They just happen to move fast and they do happen to move. When they do move, they move a lot. But they just move so fast. I prefer United States for sure. Because typically, I mean, don't get me wrong, the United States will take a shit on you too, but they typically move a lot slower. They don't pump and dump as quick. All right, BTTC, we finally got a pullback, baby. We
Right.
can set our alert. We'll see what happens. So RETO might be giving us a pullback here. We'll see if this 5 minute candle closes red or not. We still got 2 minutes left. BTTC still
RTO.
pulling back. We got 30 minutes until market open. RETO broke out one time before, all the way back in February. Ran for 17%. Sounds about right. Ran for 17% and then probably took a shit immediately afterwards. Let's take a look at BTTC. I feel like BTTC has been on my shit list before. BTTC back on, see, this one's got a history of making big moves. Back on October the 2nd, this thing ran for 362%. We'll see. I mean, it's ran big before in the past. And when it broke out before, it broke out at 9:55 a.m. right after market open. And it was a green light special as well. I knew we played BTTC before. I remember it. It probably was one of those players. Let's take a look real quick. BTTC. Let me take a look at the date one more time. BTTC, October the 2nd. You know, if you right click on the Weeble chart, boys, there's an option like right click, and then you can click on where it says like calendar and it says go to certain date. And then you can just go to the date. October the 2nd at 9:55 a.m. EST. Let's take a look at her. Oh, yeah, bro. That was definitely the one that halted. Holy shit. That one halted from 9:55 a.m. EST literally all day. It got halted every fucking 5 minutes all day for the entire day. Chan is in BTTC in early. Caught it on the pullback. You crazy bastard. All right, let's see if we can catch a rocket today. Everybody blowing the candles for Chan here. Just so you know, if it breaks out as a green light special, I'm gonna be right in there with you. What is RETO doing? Did that one take a shit? I don't even see it on the top gainers list no more. Yep. Jesus, that thing is taking a shit. That's China for you. All right, BTTC, here we go. We're making a push on this 5 minute.
Right.
JZXN. I just got an alert on that bad boy out of nowhere. Oh, this one was suspended earlier. It just got unsuspended and it's trading now. It went up and tapped 1054, which is the breakout level, but it came all the way back down. Holy shit, it's taking a shit now. We'll see. We'll see what happens with that one. PL is moving, but PL market cap is way too high. Oh man, BTTC is playing around, looking like it wants to bounce, but just kind of chopping sideways. It might end up chopping all the way going into market open. And then maybe at market open we get a big pop on it. You know what might happen going into market open as it starts to break out, it gets halted up. Might get a halt special. Yeah. Casey already over there down fucking hands are palms are sweaty. Mom spaghetti over there licking his lips. Can't wait for the halt. Halt at market open. Be a little bit patient. Make her, make her show her true colors here. We'll see. Because we talking about the good side of the coin, but there's the flip side of the coin where this thing, you know what? I ain't gonna say it because Shan's in it. But there is the other flip side of the coin where uh, JZXN is taking a poop, and we got nothing else moving. AMZE. I don't know what the hell it's got going on right now though. It's not moving that much. AMZE maybe. Market cap looks good. Free flow 18 million. That's decent. It's priced below $1. Really low price. And she's from the United States. Only up 12% right now though. Volume's kind of low on it. We'll see. You know what stock is just kind of hanging around here? It's gonna be like might be stupid that ends up getting the pop. Pets. PETS is just kind of slowly grinding up here. I'm not gonna play it. I'm not playing that shit. But the way it's moving, she looking like she want to go at market open. Damn, you know what's crazy is if we would have got on that breakout, if you were super like tight with your stop loss right at 15%, that thing literally tapped 15% and then it bounced right after. I'd have been pissed if I would have hit that sell button right there. Oh man, boys, if BTTC doesn't give me a breakout here in the first 30 minutes of market open, or if we get something new, today might end up being a no trade day for me. I'm gonna hang out for the first 30 minutes of market open, see what happens. But after that, I gotta bounce.
All right. You bounce, I bounce, bro.
Say what?
You bounce, I bounce.
Yeah, yeah, good idea. Close the laptop.
Yeah.
Go do something else for the rest of the day. 'Cause
Right.
I already know what happens when I stick around. I'll start justifying shit. Oh, technically, I can make this work. Oh, well, if I bought it right here, takes a shit on me. I get pissed. Now I'm trading for 7 hours straight. Get 2, 3 losers in a row. I'm raging. I'd rather not. All right. 2 minutes until market open. Peter, you ready to roll?
Yep. Yep.
When I say ready to roll, what I mean by that is you ready to sit here and not do anything for the next 30 minutes? Market is dead today, man.
Yeah.
JZXN is bouncing. I would not be surprised if at market open this thing starts to make a move. It is a China stock, so it's probably going to move fast. So I got an alert set on that one at 10:54. We'll see what
But
happens.
which one is that?
JZXN.
Okay.
It's a
Jay.
Chinese stock. It's probably going to move fast. So we'll see.
So should I?
And I don't know if that market cap is right. It says the market cap is 188,000. That might be the lowest fucking market cap I've ever seen. But I don't know. WOK says 196,000. See, that's the thing about these companies from other countries as well. When they report their free float and market cap, I don't think they're fucking reporting the shit correctly. Because the only
Really?
time I ever see market caps that low is from companies from other countries. I think they're lying.
Mm,
That means the whole entire company is only worth $188,000.
okay.
Buy the whole fucking company. All right, we got 5 seconds. BTTC is definitely the main one on watch right here. All right, switch over to the daily on the top gainers list. And see what BTTC gives us. Did you switch over to the 1 day on your top gainers list, Peter?
Correct.
Yeah, click on pre-market right there,
Okay.
and then click on 1 day.
All right.
Okay, yeah, there you go. That way, if anything new pops up, we'll see it.
Okay.
All right, BTTC, she's fighting. First 5 minutes on that one's probably gonna be crazy. Little whiplash action.
So when market opens, I should change it to 1 day.
Yeah, you change it to 1 day as soon as market opens. And
Oh,
just so you
really?
know, sometimes when you switch it over to the 1 day, it doesn't update immediately. Down there at the bottom right hand part of your chart, you see the little circle arrow. It looks like a little refresh icon all the way bottom right near local time, all the way down to the bottom right. Right there. Yeah,
Bottom.
to the left a little bit, right on the gray bar, go lower.
Oh yeah.
Right. Yeah, that one. If you click on that, it'll refresh your Weeble and it'll refresh the 1 day for you. So
Okay.
sometimes, just so you know, when you switch over to 1 day, it'll still be showing the top gainers from yesterday. If that's the case, just click on that refresh button and it'll refresh it for you.
Okay. Okay. Because I keep the pre-market until like 3 o'clock.
Oh no! You don't want that, man. Then you're
Oh
gonna miss out on all the new ones that are running, all the new ones that are moving.
yeah. Okay. Now I know.
So what do you think, bro? There a big difference between getting alerts and trading live?
Yeah. Pretty much.
Yeah, it's a big difference, man. You actually get to talk to somebody and understand exactly when you're getting in, you know?
Right. Absolutely.
All right, boys. I'm gonna have to bounce here. We're getting close to you
All
guys
right.
need anything? You guys got any questions? Holler at me in the stock chat. I'll
All
talk
right.
to y'all in there. Deuces.